Ever wondered if online stores that promise charity donations are really trustworthy or just riding a trend? Today, we're diving into pinkforcause.com, a site that claims to sell vintage embroidered and casual apparel while donating part of every purchase to charity. First off, the domain itself shows it's relatively new, which doesn't automatically mean it's bad, but it's something to consider when trusting an unfamiliar store. When examining the product images, they appear decent, but there's a noticeable lack of consistency in quality, and some images look like generic stock photos rather than real product shots. This raises questions about what you might actually receive. The charity claims are also tricky. While the website states that a portion of sales goes to charitable causes, there's no clear evidence or verification of which charities benefit, or how the donations are tracked, leaving it hard to know if your purchase truly makes an impact. Contact information is available, including an email and form, but there's no clear physical address or customer service number, which is important if issues arise. Customer reviews are mixed. Some people report receiving their items without issue, while others mention delays, poor quality, or items not matching the pictures, suggesting inconsistency in their service. Pricing is reasonable, but the combination of limited transparency, inconsistent product quality, and unclear charitable contributions makes it hard to confidently label the store as fully trustworthy. Overall, pinkforcause.com has some appealing features for those drawn to the idea of supporting charity through shopping, but the lack of concrete evidence, verified reviews, and transparency means caution is advised. Whether it's a legitimate store or one to approach carefully, the information we found suggests that potential buyers should weigh the risks and manage expectations before making any purchases.